Hey everyone, welcome to Wella's channel. Today I'll show you how to create an avatar, team cover, and logo in Roblox Blox Fruit. Click here to access the avatar. For this, we'll need to open our browser and go to Creator Hub. Here's the creation site with developer items and decals. Upload the photo you want as your cover here. Okay. Name it and click Upload. Wait! It's now created. As you can see, we have a link here. Next, check this box and save changes. Your decal will appear in the Roblox store. That's where you can copy it from. Copy this link, paste it here, and your decal will load. Just copy it from here. That's important. It'll appear here after a short wait. There. Meanwhile, you can use another decal. Open it, copy the link, go to Roblox, and paste it here. That's all there is to it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a great life. Good luck, everyone. See you later.